Hi, I'm Felicia Alvarez from Menagerie Farm and Flower in Live Oak, California, and I'm a third-generation California farmer. My business is a garden rose fruit flower farm and nursery. We have a little bit of everything here. We sell bare root garden rose plants in the wintertime. We have potted garden rose plants in the spring and summer. I also offer an online learning academy that is perfect for flower farmers. So what is sustainability? I think that really varies for everyone, but for me, it's making sure that I have a healthy farm, healthy soil, and a healthy climate and healthy workplace. This area is a great place just because of our growing climate and our soil. It's a very rich Mediterranean style growing climate, so I can grow things here pretty much year round. I think it's important for consumers to choose California grown and American grown flowers because it supports the local community here. They are fresher but they're just better. The quality is better. They're just better. It's better than the imported flowers. I wish people knew that California agriculture was as diverse as it is, from food, fiber, flower, fruit, vegetable crops up and down the state. We really are the U.S.'s basket of fresh produce and flowers and food. So I wish people knew about the diversity. I wish people knew how many things that we grow here in California.